Hey guys, thanks for joining Dee and Coco's Epic Adventures. Today we're going to take you on a quick walk through beautiful, vibrant Kuala Lumpur from Bukit Bintang train station to our hotel. Come along with us. This train station is easy to get in and out of. It seems a little chaotic, but it is easy to find your way around. And we highly recommend you stop over at the Central train station, that is Central with an S. Go to the pink kiosk and get you a 2-day unlimited train pass. This train pass saved us so much time and energy. It is inexpensive and super convenient. There are some trains that are not available on this train pass, but for the most part, there are plenty of trains to choose from and will get you around the city to see the sights very easily. I actually love coming out of this train station into KL. It is so beautiful with the colors and the architecture and just the vibrant colors and all of the people and the skyline. It's incredible. The crosswalk in this area reminds me of Shibuya Scramble in Tokyo, where you can basically cross any way you want once the light is green, but not as busy, of course. We're crossing here and then we're going to walk down Jalan Bukit Bintang, and this is going to take us to our hotel. There's tons of shopping to be had in this area between the pavilion and other malls along the walk. First store we're passing here on the right is H&M, very large H&M store here. And then tons of little cute food markets and places to eat over here on the left, including like family marts and 7-Elevens as you're walking along. Tons of art and vibrant colors to see, very busy, and of course can't forget Starbucks over here on the right. Now, I've said this before and I will say it again, our experience with Starbucks in Asia blew our mind. There's so many choices and options for drinks and food. The United States is really limited and they make you feel like they're offering you a lot, but they don't, so they need to pick up their game. There are so many places in KL to get delicious food, and as we're walking along, it all looked and smelled so good, but we were only here for a limited time, and that made it hard to be able to try all of the varieties of food there, but from what we did have, the food was outstanding. We give these performers props because it is so hot in KL. Not only is it hot, but humid, and these performers did an outstanding job. I don't know how they did it, but props to them. We loved KL, and for the most part, most of the city was very clean and felt very safe. This area was above the rest. It is super clean, it felt very safe. We had no issues here whatsoever, and we just really enjoyed this area. Like I said, there's tons of shopping to be had here. This is a mall/hotel area, and this is not as big as the pavilion, of course, because that is a true mall, but still rather large and luxurious because I believe this is where the JW is. And I love this little restaurant. How cute is that with the pink flowers and the lighting? I absolutely love this place and I wish we had time to go check it out. It seemed very popular, but maybe next time. And this mall actually connected to a hotel as well. You can see the hotel windows here, and had a gorgeous bookstore, very quiet, beautiful atmosphere. Coffee shop. We would have definitely loved to just sit and drink some coffee and enjoy a good book, but we just did not have time. In this mall, this is the area that connects to the Ritz-Carlton Hotel. We haven't stayed here, but just walking through and seeing how beautiful and luxurious feeling it seems, we would highly recommend you try it out. Maybe next time. I really enjoyed the decor of the Ritz-Carlton. It is classic with a twist of modern. It's very sleek, luxurious, and stylish. It is absolutely stunning. The malls are a really great way to get out of the heat as you're walking, going from point A to point B. They will help get you to your destination a little easier because you'll be in air conditioning and not have to spend so much time in the heat. That's just our little tip. And here we are coming up to our hotel, the Westin. If you haven't seen our review on the Westin, please go check it out. There'll be a link above, and let us know what you think. And if you stayed at the Westin, please let us know what you thought about it. But we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy travels.